Hey guys, so it's a really nice day out and I've got to go do some stuff, so we're gonna go for a ride in the old school BEnz. Get a little pull start on it for you guys. Should start right up. This car is super reliable. Got the Kill Bill keychain. Just let the glow plugs go for a little. Nope. Round two. So if you look up the old Mercedes starting procedures, they tell you that in cold weather, they actually want you start it with no throttle, because the way the springs in the injection pump work, at no throttle, you're actually getting more fuel than full throttle when the thing's running, because the springs aren't being thrown out at all, so it's just like a maximum dump. And as the IP pump works on like centrifugal springs, that's what I'm talking about. So they tell you that you should start with no throttle, and then you should put your foot on the floor until you get a smooth run. And once you have a smooth run, to let the throttle back out and resume normal idle. Well, that's the Mercedes actual like cold start procedure for this car. So I'm gonna let it heat up for a second, and then go on the trip. All right, so all warmed up and time to go. It's so weird getting into this car and sitting on like a firm level seat and not having it bounce. It's pretty nice. Pretty good, although I have issues with the fact that my alternator is not good. And also, so the CD that I have in this car, it's like one of the last CDs I ever made, so it's from probably like 8 years ago, and it's just, it's a little outdated, that's all. But that's all I got. I got a CD player in here, so. With like I don't know, 600 RMS. So I will show you guys this stanced out Honda that I guess this guy must have just moved in, because all of a sudden I've been seeing it like every day. But here we go. Should we bump this shit when we go by? second right there. That's pretty good in a 31-year-old diesel wagon with a giant sub in the back. So may need to tighten up one of my rims. It seems like a little bit of a shake going on, and that's something that I've tended to notice when I get a loose tire. For some reason they get loose on this thing. I don't know why, but I tighten them up, and I tighten up evenly, and it just keeps happening.